Good morning to all students of class 10th. Today, in a very short video, I will try to explain to you how you can learn from diagrams given in your textbooks. Come, let's see how diagrams can be used to observe, then understand, then try to explain some important concepts present in your textbooks. Let's go. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಚಿತ್ರವನ್ನ ನೀವು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಈ ಚಿತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಒಂದು ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ diagram which I have given to you. If you understand this diagram carefully, you see the textbook and then understand, then you find this is the cross section of a leaf. When you look at this cross section of a leaf, you find cells, and these cells contain what they call green pigments, and these green pigments are called thylakoids, and they contain chlorophyll, which absorb sunlight. This is very important. This is the electron microscope of the leaf, cross section of the leaf, and diagram is made by the scientists. So if you look at this, there are cells, green cells present, and these cells contain chloroplast. They absorb sunlight and convert them into chemical materials. When once the light is absorbed by the chlorophyll, then several chemical reactions will happen inside the cell. They are very microscopic and they happen in fraction of a second. If you look at this diagram here on the I have given one in the square. Green plants absorb carbon dioxide from outside. These carbon dioxide molecules and gas enter into the plant cells through stomata present in the leaf, and this carbon dioxide get into the thylakoid lumen. Thylakoid is like a bag, small. They are all microscopic. We can't see them. They are actually in the almost 0.1 millimeter size, like that. But the scientists have seen that in the electron microscope they have studied, and so they will explain that they compare it like a bag. So inside this, when they go to carbon dioxide, already there is water. Water has come into the cells through the root and then all the way to the leaf, and they contain also minerals. And this water molecule, which contains hydrogen and water, carbon dioxide contains carbon and oxygen. What happens is the light energy that is absorbed by the chlorophyll now breaks the water molecule into hydrogen and oxygen. And carbon dioxide is already there, and carbon dioxide and the hydrogen molecules, hydrogen atoms will combine to form carbohydrates, which are then converted into glucose and then into other carbohydrates and stored in the form of fruits and also leaves and vegetables and all these things. So this is a very, very complex chemical reaction. We cannot explain that in the short time. Just you understand that plants convert carbon dioxide and water into carbohydrates, and in this process, as I have given in the equation here, 6CO2 plus 12H2O, that is water. When they combine, arrow indicates chemical reaction that happens inside the chlorophyll. It is converted into C6H12O6, that is glucose, and then into starch. In this process, water also is given out and oxygen is also given out. Oxygen comes out of the plant to the atmosphere. This is a beautiful reaction. So you try to, in your textbooks also, this equation is given. 6CO2 plus 12H2O energy gives C6H12O6 and C6H2O plus 6O2. Try to remember that. Three important steps you must remember here. Absorption of light energy by chlorophyll, conversion of light energy into chemical energy, and splitting of water molecule into hydrogen and oxygen, reduction of carbon dioxide into carbonate. These are the three important reactions you must remember. Credits. To make this short video clip, I have taken diagrams from the Creative Commons, which are also present in your textbooks, and also some material, some information from the textbooks of Karnataka, so that you understand the process of photosynthesis. Thank you.